I have a video out how to deal with roast breadfruit, but I do it in the oven. So I want to show you how to deal with the thing the authentic way. And which better place to do it authentic than Jamaica.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Right now, and in general, give them a yell me general. Is it?
Yeah man, I eat man.
Yeah man, we are going to deal with the thing out the door. We are set up the fire.
Yeah man, roast
and the whole works.
Man.
You see me? The whole works we are going to deal with. Is it? So, roast breadfruit, I'll show you how to take out the stem and what to look for. Then man, I know the thing set up same way. And we are set up the wood fire same way. You see me? What I look clean here man? Thing look clean on the camera. You see me? I tell mom say we are this, I don't have to worry about no sitting there. What name? No
rim.
Yeah, even we see one round sitting up here, so one rim there is the same way. But this is good because you have three sitting here, so.
Yeah man.
Just use any dry wood man. So you set up a fire, any dry wood. You have your lighter, did you give a lighter?
Yeah.
You want newspaper or you don't use newspaper?
No man, I have something with you on the newspaper.
Oh, that they use?
This will come like a gas.
Yeah. Because that's sitting again, styrofoam.
Yeah.
They use the styrofoam said way, you see me? And catch a fire. Yeah man. It's something like a gas.
Yeah,
you know, I never try this normally black scandal bag we use on light wood fire.
yeah.
But they say this is a melt.
Yeah man, you see this right now?
Yeah.
This everybody I use.
Oh.
Faster.
Quick and fast. Yeah man. The real way. Yeah, fire blaze fast for real. What kind of breadfruit is a white heart? And that again, me not to remember, you know.
Yeah, you have a white heart and you have that.
How to tell? You have to cut, you know, so?
Yeah, I'll test it.
So, how to catch a fire? 101, you see me? Catch a wood fire quick and fast. You see it? Yo, push a sound tidy sitting, you know.
Yeah,
so you see push it right this and then cover it up before you move in the dog, just do it, them do and cut, you know.
I get one dog with them, this
you push them have manners.
Up in a place and you see me?
Yo, the fire blaze fast. Nah man, I have to go hold after one there man. Now man, I use the paper, black paper, but you know shut up so fast.
Yeah.
And this is burn solid. You put some you call it again?
Chip brang, but I call it brang or chips, you see me?
Chip.
Yeah.
Blaze up the fire wicked.
Yeah.
So right now I use some avocado branch, you know what I say? And just some regular seed I would find around the yard. They make up a proper fire, yeah? It look like it a out, but I burn it really sweet. See that? See it a blazing now? You just need a lighter, some wood chip and some styrofoam box, you see me? And in general tell you come like a gassy to itself. Watch your finger, you know?
Yeah.
Drop on the finger and stuck, you know? Clean.
I get you now.
I know enough people are going to talk about the ozone layer. This is a tiny fire, man. When you go easy, we know that's something that will not damage the ozone layer, but sometimes yeah, then cool up. Because late night, I know, you know.
I catch, man.
What time, you know? 5:50 Monday. Yeah, man. Watch your finger, you know. Yeah. Drop and stick pan in it if water can't help.
But I jail and see man like this and drop it on man.
Yeah. Wickedest thing.
Rape, you know?
Melt out the skin.
Yeah, well.
Clean. Go back up, just change all my clothes and go help the bigger man them over here, so. Long time, I no butcher fowl, you know, man. Instead, I used to love, you know. I don't know if you know this brother up at Shirley shop named Casey.
Casey
Sinclair, man.
I'm bridging.
You see him now? When he just come from foreign.
I'm bridging.
And he might run off up so.
I'm a nigga.
Yeah man, a be a foul. He used to raise run a scheme, you know.
Yeah,
you have a whole heap of people used to come and help him kill foul, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, bamboo, eh? Oh. Nah, mate, man. You clean up, what you need for in the bathroom? Clean it?
Yeah, wet up the whole line.
You clean up your bathroom?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Man, if you listen, you know, Virgin, now you get a bag of problem, you know. You understand?
I'm down in the truck, Sam.
Yeah, man, that thing for realize if you know if people not rated, they not talk to you and tell you things. You understand? If people not rated, they not teach you things. They just allow you make you sink. So if anybody talk to you and tell you the right thing, you need to listen. You see me? Yeah, I mean, when you tell me yes and you not do the right thing, you know. You clean your school, you clean your shoes when you come?
Huh?
Go and clean your shoes. I mean, no, you're not clean yet. Clean your shoes.
I'm not back tomorrow. Yeah.
Go and clean your shoes and come back. And make sure I come clean, you know, sir.
Yeah.
You just come and you burn up the whole heap of time and you not do nothing.
This can out again, no truck, say.
That me a pre I start from the root down there, so. I show them on.
Dig out there.
We deal with the breadfruit, you see me? And take out the stem. I show them the one about me never show them the yard style it, you see me?
Yeah.
Camera clean and pretty just like that. Just cut out that, you see me? Yeah man.
Alright,
So you put on the X?
yeah. Let's put a little mark.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the soap, meanwhile.
Balance. So see they just, you see me? And you drop it right on it, watch your finger me G up. So nice and clean. Yo, you're fast with me, not lie. So yeah man, you just roast this for about a good 15-20 minutes, that's all.
Yeah.
Or more than that. Cause me do it when me do it in the oven still, me do it for about. Me do it in the oven for probably one 40 minutes, you know?
Yeah.
But this is a big fire.
Yeah. They're more faster.
So let's deal with the thing the realest way. So yeah man. So you just turn this around and ensure so all of the sides them roast off, you see me? You know I roast it and burn it up, you know. So you roast this for about 15-20 minutes. And we're gonna make up fire all around so the thing get roast evenly. You feel what I say? Yeah man. Yeah. See general still a stack more chippings around the same way. And you don't forget no charcoal, no expensive nothing. In your backyard, well this is the beauty about Jamaica still, you know. We have everything in our backyard, you know, you scrape up something. Over say if you want thick you have to go buy, you know man. Yeah. I'm meds, you know. Cause yo, God know, you see all this a stone there?
Yeah.
You can't walk on the road and see them stone there, you know? Nothing, you know. If a man rush you can't find a stone for busting your head, you know. You have to run go buy and come back and bust in your head.
I always say Canada will like clean this court.
Yeah man. So yeah man, see thing there? Roast breadfruit, what ching ching say? Roast or fry. Yeah man. So that I it, you know, 15 to 20 minutes, I will show you what the thing look like. You take notes, Puggy?
Huh?
You take note?
Yeah.
Blazing hot. See it there now? Couple more minutes man and the breadfruit ready. See that now? Yeah man, general I represent, you know. Up top sitting man.
Hold the pan under there, see it, Chuck?
Plate. Up with it. Alright, see it there, you know. Fire cool down and the thing well roast. You see me? Show them how the thing look to the fullest. Watch it. Yo, yeah, tough like for me still, so you know how to burn up. I eat that, man. So all we have to do right now, I just peel this.
No,
You can fry, I just have it like that.
Test it first.
Oh, man,
Use
that's
a knife and stick it inside.
You have to test that
And make
again.
sure it come out.
Tell him,
Yeah,
man.
you have a sticky knife inside.
Yeah, first. Move your blood clear, go up on camera today. That
Knife
naked.
inside. And when I have the Milton. When I have the knife.
Since me have a knife. Want a bigger knife? Alright, go on.
Yeah.
See Frost there, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Tell him what go on. Wait, make your camera focus. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you have a stick knife inside. And once the knife come off clean, with no breadfruit residue or anything.
But that to teach you good?
Yeah.
Eh?
Say, Ross.
That to teach you good, daddy?
Shortly, what have you come
Oh, you know it thing work.
Go.
Yeah, man.
Thing go.
Up. See it there, you know. Let's go for your knife and the general tell us I'm have to repeat the thing.
Yeah.
So you know when your breadfruit ready. Up at top.
Yeah, man, the breadfruit are ready, see there?
Wait, show them in
Yeah,
knife.
man,
Show
see
them
that
in
knife clean.
Knife clean like a whistle.
Say breadfruit, well roasted.
See, they not tell you a thing, you know.
Go on again.
You hear that? Wait, push it down there again. That sound the way I talk about. Breadfruit up and running.
Yeah, man, well roasted.
You see me say if you want this fry, or you can peel it and eat it
Can
just
fry
like
now with
that.
butter and salt.
Alright, see it there now, man. Big up my G. Up at top.
Roast brusher, you see it?
Mhm.
Jamaican style.
Up.
What talk to you need to keep some still now next year, you know?
Yo,
Man, if you forward now, please.
Dog.
I'm gonna put on some pattern.
dog, for real. I didn't think, I didn't think the full film is still like that.
We are coming back now, dog. Yo, me have some snails there, I can't come get for your foot them up, you know.
What that? Go on.
Some snails, you know.
Oh, Toti, because we don't want to lose fire, catch and burn down your house, you understand? And I eat that, man. So big up on yourself.
Some shrimp. Like crayfish, them, you know, big one, them.
Oh, I don't think them can make it give mommy them because I'm allergic to anything in a shell, you know. But I cook it still.
Yeah, man,
You cook it?
See another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.